Hey, what's happening, guys? Today we're going to take a look at this set of smart LED strip lights from Jadisi. You can see right there their address, jadisi.com. Timing, super bright, easy installation, efficiency, RGB. There's the part number for that particular kit. Now, I see a lot of these. They're all pretty much the same. Basically, you got your 50-50 size LED lights and some sort of controller. This set is also able to be used Wi-Fi. Looks like we're missing the oh, there it is. So this actually has 4 sets of lights on it. But what interests me about this one is it comes with this pretty nice looking power supply here. So I thought we would have a look at it. Plug it in. So we've got 9 milliamps of quiescent current. You can see there it is powered up. Don't know if there's a battery in here or not. We'll have to check. Pull tab. Okay. So we can power this guy up, I think. There we go. Let's go on a nice rotational thing there. Let's go. Trying to get white color. White. So white is all the colors on at the same time. There's red, green, blue, a somewhat purple, turquoise, deeper purple. We have we can make them dimmer. We can make them brighter. We have some different modes. With speed control for the modes as well. So, your basic standard package of these 50-50 addressable lights. 50-50 RGBs. There's 90 of them in this package. Output power is 34 watts. Input voltage of the AC adapter is good for 85 to 265 volts. Output voltage is 12 volts, and it's good up to 5 meters with the remote. Beam angle is 120 degrees, it says. Hit the auto button. It should go through an auto mode of changing colors. Now it also has thing with the lights. It'll change to the music, and it also has a lock button where you can lock it in a position that you like. And again, this one is Wi-Fi. You can download an app and use it as well, but I'm not going to mess with that. So let's do this. Let's say color white. Make these as bright as we can. And you can see we're getting 0.465 amps, 100 milliwatts. That's my high wattage. Okay, there we go. 35.4 watts is what we're getting on full power. Oh, you can't see that. There you go. 35.4 watts at full power. And if we take it down, going down to the part that they're just barely lit, we're getting 4.2 watts. And if we put it in automatic mode, we're going between 9.5 to 30 watts. So it's kind of cycling all over the place there. Now, what I'm curious about again is this nice AC adapter this thing seems to come with, which there's probably no way in heck I'm going to be able to get into it. Oh, look at that. We also have control here. I did not see that. And that's also where the microphone control is. Color. Speed. That's also brightness. Let's see what happens if we put this in music mode. First, we're going to need some YouTube approved copyright free music. All right, that's kind of interesting. Let's try another one. Try mode 2. All right, let me see if I can find something a little bit more energetic. Yeah, it seems to work out pretty neat. Kind of cool. So I will put a link to this down below. This is from Amazon. And currently, as I'm shooting this video on the 29th of August, it is listed for $18.69. Tomorrow, who knows where it'll be. But seriously, for 65.5 feet of the strip lights, you get adhesive tape, you get some joining tape, you get plenty of hangers. This is a nice kit. If you can get it for the $20 price range, I would say definitely go for it. You'd have some fun with this. All right, that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all the patrons. Big thanks to Jadisi for sending this out free of charge for our consideration. And a big thanks to you for being part of our community, part of my family, and one of my friends. That's it. I'm out. Peace.